Video is one of the fastest growing forms of marketing. By 2019, it's estimated that video will account for 80% of all consumer internet traffic. Likewise, embedding videos in a website's landing pages can increase conversion rates by 80%. As such, it's important for businesses to develop a video marketing plan. Bold Business provides 5 important video marketing tips to help you grow your company. Tip number 1. Short, sweet, and to the point. Any video marketing strategy must deliver its message fast. The viewers should be hooked within the first 10 seconds. Tip number 2. Great online video marketing is not a sales pitch. An important video marketing strategy should appeal to the needs and desires of your audience. Video has its greatest appeal when it taps the heart and soul of the viewer. Tip number 3. Take some risks and be creative. Great videos entertain their audience while also marketing products or services. Don't be afraid to be out of the box. A memorable video always resonates with your audience. Tip number 4. Never forget the tags. Optimizing your online video is very important. Video description boxes should be filled with SEO tag words. This helps your video get noticed by search engine spiders. And embedding should be enabled to increase your video's inbound links. Last but not least, tip number 5. It's essential to be informative. A good marketing video is educational and provides information not obtained elsewhere. Your video should have a good valued insight that will appeal to your audience. Video marketing is an incredible way to create content that is personal and has a real impact on your audience. It enables business to grow, further your influence in sales, and when done correctly, video is the best tool to market your company today. For more stories on people and companies making bold impacts on our world, visit boldbusiness.com. To learn more about our services, visit boldbusiness.com/services.